Ooh, I can feel the flame from here. Wow, that's hot. Seems dangerous. Oh, it's actually open. I did not think it would be open. Yes, it is.
But it just makes me think once everybody knows how we're open, it's going to be the same way.
Yeah, because over on the other side,
Well, I love this restaurant. Why isn't it slam packed? This must be a soft opening. Real nice. They don't have a glass wall that people can walk by like they do at Planet Hollywood. I think that helps. People are curious. Of course they are. That's why you watch YouTube. Yeah. Thank you.